Good morning, everyone. Today, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Students, this year we are celebrating our 72nd Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Before independence, India was under British rule. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Hence, this day is very important for the citizen of India. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in whole world. The Constitution was written by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the Constitution of India. Indian Constitution gives us our fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education and religion and more. Republic means that the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only public has the right to elect their representatives as political leaders to lead the country in right direction. On this day, the President of India hosts the national flag at Rajpath, New Delhi. The celebration is followed by a huge parade and distribution of bravery awards. In schools and colleges, many cultural events like dance, music, sports are organized and sweets are distributed. For India, Republic Day is not only a celebration but also a pride and honor. Today, we are living in freedom without any pressure in the society. The credit goes to brave soldiers, martyrs, and freedom fighters of the Indian freedom struggle. So, we must not forget their sacrifices. We should understand our responsibilities as the citizen of India and take all steps for the country's developments and progress. Let's all pledge today to do all possible efforts to make our country free from problems like terrorism, corruption, inequality, poverty, etc. And at last, again, I wish all of you a very happy 72nd Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.